If you need a free virtual credit card without fees, try to use Ina from Capital One. You can find Ina on Capital One website. First, you have to log in. Next, you should click on the smile icon and type virtual credit card. The Shop Safely link will lead you to a page where you have to install Google Chrome extension. Then, when you check out something at online store, Ina should pop up. Then you have to add credit or debit card. Ina will suggest you to create a virtual credit card. You have to agree and confirm authorization. Then you have to verify your original credit card and turn on Express Checkout and click Get Virtual Number. Ina will create a virtual credit card that is connected to your original credit card. Now you have a virtual credit card number that you can drag and drop to the card number field. After purchase, you can delete the virtual credit card number so that it cannot be used again. Next, watch my video about Capital One Money. It is a teens checking account offered by Capital One. Or watch my video about Capital One credit card. Anyway, I'm waiting for you in my next video.